Hi there. This is the beginning of a new series where we're tackling the settings on the Bumper web app. Now, on the Bumper web app, you're allowed to, tailor your settings, tweak things to basically allow you create a very, very seamless experience for your customers. I'm just going to run through, everything here, and then in subsequent videos, I'm going to break down everything one by one. So first we have inventory settings, which allows you to do things like reserve inventory and manage your stock. Now, we have product as well that allows you, set up a product note. We will get into that in a bit. Then we also have orders. We've actually covered this extensively in the orders series. So basically, you can set up abandoned cart recovery that allows you or allows the system automatically remind your customers about their uncompleted order when they leave items in your cart. So when they've added items to your cart and they've filled out their information but they haven't paid, you can set up a reminder that allows the system to send them an email or an SMS depending on the time you set, reminding them, just giving them a simple nudge to come back and complete their payment. You will find a detailed video on this in the other series. Now we also have shipping. We've also covered extensively automated shipping and delivery and pickup, which you'll find in the shipping series. And also, we have campaigns where you can set up welcome emails to your new customers or your newsletter subscribers. We have also covered this in the sales and marketing series, so you can find detailed information on how to set this up there. And then finally, we have notifications that just allows you send notifications to your customers or get notifications based off of what you set up. So in subsequent videos, I'm going to break down the things that we haven't covered yet. So things like reserve inventory, product notes, and the notifications. So for every other thing, you would definitely find in our previous tutorial videos. I'll see you. Bye.